Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by connecting the accounts that make scheduling reliable. Sign in and verify your Calendly email, then link your primary calendar so double bookings are prevented. Once done, set your time zone, working hours, and a default meeting duration. This ensures invitees see correct options. Make sure syncing is two-way so changes reflect everywhere. By doing these prerequisites now, you avoid conflicts later and make the scheduling flow smooth for both you and invitees. Next, create an event type that fits how you meet. Choose one-on-one or group, then customize duration, buffer times, and maximum attendees to control your day. Once configured, add location options like Zoom links or physical addresses, and include intake questions to gather necessary details ahead of time. Make sure notifications and reminders are enabled so no one misses the meeting, and, if applicable, connect Stripe or PayPal for paid bookings to collect fees automatically before Finally, publish your event and share the link or embed the scheduler on your site so people can book instantly. Once live, automate reminders and follow-ups to reduce no-shows, and apply advanced rules like minimum notice or daily limits to protect your time. If something goes wrong, like duplicate bookings or missing slots, first check calendar permissions and that two-way sync is enabled. Often reauthorizing the calendar fixes it. If problems persist, adjust event rules or recreate the event to reset settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.